Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be setting up my wellness currently for September in my big health and wellness planner, and we're going to be using the PlannerSisterSticker kit. I don't know what this is called, but it's kind of got a wellness theme to it. It's like, it has like a healthy water bottle here, do it for yourself. So I thought this would be kind of a cute kit to use for my wellness spread. So we're going to go ahead and open up my planner into the month of September. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and begin with the washi that comes with the kit. And probably these as well. I think what I want to do is I kind of want to cut this. Yeah. Let's cut this right across the top. Just a little bit. Okay, so that I can create two, one at the top and one at the bottom. It's a little uneven, but that's fine. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. And I want to get the cut right. I think it was like right there. I probably should have done this with my trimmer, but it's too late now. I do like how it carries on the washi. That is very handy. Oh, hold on. I laid it down crooked. Let me try that again. Cut it a little too long there. Okay, got a little bit of something going on here. I'm very bad at cutting, as you can see. This is not a straight cut, but it'll be all right because we can work something out that way. Let's start here. And you know what? I might be able to make this work so that this can still fit. There we go. That's better. Okay, now we've got the washi laid down. That took a very long time. I think I want to start, where do I want to start? Maybe with the title. That might be a good place to begin. And I want to do this one as our title. And we're going to put these two together. for our title, and then I'm going to add some glitter headers to the bottom to emphasize the title and keep everything together. Now what we need to do is add my weigh-ins and all of that. So let's do this as our title for weigh-in. And we've got a couple of boxes here. I think I actually want to use the smaller ones for the weigh-in. We have 4 days in August, or September, sorry. And I think I'm going to do the weigh-in right here. So if you've never seen any of my Plan With Me's on my wellness spreads before, first of all, I can't lay stickers down properly. As you can see, I'm laying them down very crooked, and I apologize. But I like to have a couple of categories in my Currently because it helps me keep track of what I'd like to do. So I have a weigh-in section where each week I will put how much I weigh, just so that I can keep track of that and get an accurate description for my doctor whenever I have my doctor's visits. I also have a few different other sections. I have a goals section, things that I've accomplished health-wise throughout the month, any obstacles, and any notes that I need to add for the month. So those are my sections that I usually tend to stick to in my spreads, and it's been working for me pretty well throughout this time. So I think that's what I'm going to keep doing. Right now I'm going to add some deco that fits with the wellness theme. So I do have this one because the insert comes with multiple of the same girl, so I can use that in other spreads. But I'm going to just add little stickers here and there around to keep me motivated, just like fun things. I think that's probably going to be enough. And then maybe I'll add this one. I just don't know where I want it to go yet. Okay, so accomplishments. Let's use this for my accomplishments in the month. And I need to find, there it is, this one. I think I'm going to use this as the title for that so it matches. So this is going to be my accomplishments for the month. And I know that there's, here we go, checklists. And I'm going to use probably the pink, because there's 2 of these. And I can cut this to make multiple and continue for goals. This might be goals, this might be accomplishments. I haven't quite decided what each box is going to be, just because I don't know exactly what I want each box to look like. But I'm thinking, because there's a lot of boxes, or sorry, there's a lot of check boxes, check pieces, whatever these are called. I think this might be my accomplishments, because I tend to like to have a lot of things for those. So that might be what I use that for. I might as well use up this last little tiny piece here. I don't actually know what this like box set is for. If anybody knows why they're like broken up into tiny little sections, please tell me, because I am not familiar with this. So I'd like to find out. Alrighty, so we've got, I still need a section for obstacles and a section for notes. So I'm probably going to go back here. Yeah, I'm going to use this box for one of the titles. And let's, if I use up the rest of those, we will put this as one of the titles. Actually, I could probably do it in half, but I don't know if I want to do that. Okay, and now we have one, we need a section for notes. And I think what I'll do with that one is use these bullets. And we are going to change it up. And this is going to be goals. And this will be, you know what? I think there might be a, no, oh, there is one. Here we go. Goals. Well, that's nice. Okay, so we might not need that box after all. This will be our goals box. And we'll put this one back and put this here, back where it was. And then we will have this box be our notes. And I'm going to use these as the bullets because that way I don't have multiple boxes of the same thing. I like that. I like that a lot. I do feel like maybe we could put this here. Alright everyone, that is it for this month's setup in my wellness. Currently using this PlannerSisterSticker kit. I love the little touches of color that I added, like the little washi strips and the glitter headers. I think that was the perfect amount that I needed to make the spread really pop. And I love adding the little boxes. I think that was a great touch as well. If you guys missed any of my previous spreads where I've planned in my currently, I will leave it in a playlist in the description box, in the cards in this video, and at the end of the video, so you'll have plenty of opportunity to check that out if you are interested in seeing how I've decorated previous months. If you're interested in seeing any of my other content, I have different playlists related to various different categories in the description box. They are in various playlists depending on what category you're looking for. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I am so excited you decided to stop by, and I hope you'll continue to stick around for more. Like I mentioned, there are plenty of playlists for you to browse down in the description box. You can see what kinds of crafting content I share, and I also share vlogs and craft hauls and things like that. So if you want to see a little bit of behind the scenes of not crafting, check out my vlog series. I will be having a new cruise vlog series coming up very, very soon within the next few weeks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really, really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration on how to make your own currently spread. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!